The Bobcat Disc Mulcher attachment will help you get the job done safely and efficiently, whether you're clearing land or processing heavy organic material. Caution should be taken to avoid injury to yourself or others while operating the attachment with an approved Bobcat skid steer or compact track loader. It is important to stress the unique risks of the disc mulcher. Because this attachment can mulch trees and brush with ease, you must follow proper warnings and instructions in order to avoid injuring yourself and bystanders or damaging your equipment. You must also read and understand your machine and attachment's operation and maintenance manuals located in the machine and on the disc mulcher before operating. The safety alert symbol appears throughout the operation and maintenance manual and on pictorial safety signs. This identifies important hazards you should avoid to reduce the possibility of serious injury or death. Always follow the instructions in the safety message. While it is impossible to cover every situation you may encounter during operation, this video presents several topics, including approved configuration, pre-start inspection, maintenance, and safe operation. Refer to the Bobcat skid steer or compact track loader safety video and operator training course for more information about operating your Bobcat loader. The disc mulcher attachment must be used with an approved Bobcat skid steer loader or compact track loader. Some compatible loaders may require the installation of counterweight kits. See your Bobcat dealer for more details. In order to operate this attachment, your machine must be equipped with the Bobcat Forestry Applications Kit. This kit includes a polycarbonate forestry door, top, rear, and side windows, level 2 fobs, debris guards, and a fire extinguisher. These are designed to protect the operator and machine while using the attachment. See the operation and maintenance manuals for information on installing your disc mulcher. Once connected, ensure that the Bobcat levers are fully down and locked, and the wedges are completely extended through the mounting frame holes. Regular maintenance of your disc mulcher attachment promotes safe and efficient operation. Failure to maintain your attachment will result in excessive wear and early failures. Be sure that the cutting teeth and mounting hardware for the teeth and disc are secure and undamaged. Pay attention to service codes related to the forestry door and high temperatures. You may need to regularly clear debris throughout operation to reduce the risk of the attachment and machine overheating. Confirm that the disc is unobstructed and able to move freely. Do not touch the disc with your bare hands, as the teeth are very sharp and can cause injury even when the disc is not rotating. Inspect all windows and doors to make sure they are clean and that there is a clear view of the attachment and direction of travel. Verify that all emergency exit options are clear of obstacles. Consider your job site conditions before operating your disc mulcher. Be aware of varying ground conditions, including slopes and waterways. Obstacles such as rocks, concrete, and utilities may damage the attachment or become projectiles. Long, flexible materials like wire, rebar, fencing, wet grass, and vines can be drawn into the attachment and become wrapped around the disc. All bystanders must stay at least several hundred feet away from the disc mulcher while in use. Consider using fencing, cones, or other markers to communicate this to anyone near the job site. Perform the rest of your daily inspection and maintenance using the checklist included in your machine and attachments operation and maintenance manuals and on the service schedule decal. Service procedures can be referenced in the disc mulcher service manual or performed by qualified Bobcat service personnel. Safe operation of the disc mulcher attachment starts with you, the operator. To start the disc rotation, first press the auxiliary hydraulics button. Then press the continuous flow control switch on the right-hand joystick of the machine. Similarly, to stop the rotation of the disc, press the continuous flow control switch again. Use the appropriate technique for the job, as outlined in your operation and maintenance manual. Cut the tree at the appropriate height depending on its size. If cutting small, bushy trees, cut near the base and feed the tree into the attachment. For larger trees, remove the top and process the remaining trunk. Do not exceed the maximum tree diameter that your disc mulcher is designed to mulch. Ensure the disc has completely stopped rotating before exiting the machine. It may take several minutes for the disc to stop rotating once the auxiliary flow is disengaged from the attachment. You can also stop the disc by running it into the ground, a tree stump, or other sturdy material. If your disc mulcher stops rotating due to logs or other debris, attempt to dislodge the material by pushing the disc against another tree or log to rotate it in the opposite direction. If the attachment does not clear, turn off the machine's power, safely exit the machine, and remove the debris with a tool such as a crowbar. Never use your hands or feet to clear out the disc mulcher. Always use your best judgment and be aware of your surroundings. Remember the safety instructions from this video and the operation and maintenance manuals. These tips will help you get the most out of your Bobcat disc mulcher and allow you to stay safe while getting the job done. For additional information, technical specifications, or training resource information for all Bobcat equipment, contact your dealer or visit bobcat.com/training.